Good evening, students. Continue the remaining problem from 1.3 exercise. One problem is there. It is multiple choice question, but sometimes they give 5 marks as 5 marks question also, like a 5 marks question. 14. Let F maps R minus 4 by 3 to R. Okay. Defined by f of x. Defined by f of x. Some function 4x by 3x plus 4. The inverse of f is the map, another function g maps range of f to R minus 4 by 3 given by. Okay, that is multiple choice one already in previous class. That is the second option, but direct one simple steps, but in 5 marks question not like that. Define the function variable R minus 2 R minus of minus 4 by 3 to R, right? Okay, by the definition in this consider an arbitrary element y in the range of f. Y in range of f. By the definition what is given f of x? F of x value means y is equal to f of x is equal to 4x by 3x plus 4 for some. For some x belongs to this one. For some x in real numbers except in this one. Okay. Right. Next, okay, what is y is equal to 4x by 3x plus 4. This is convert like as x substitute. This shows you can write y 3x plus 4 is equal to 4x 3xy plus 4y is equal to 4x. X terms one side shift 4x minus 3xy is equal to 4y. X comma 4 minus 3y is equal to 4y. So what is x value? X is equal to 4y by 4 minus 3y. Now let another function define only in the problem. Define g maps range of f to given range of f to R minus y. How can you define g of y? For a function of means f of x. For function g means g of y is equal to x. X means like this one 4y by 4 minus 3y. Right? Okay. Now what will show that? Now take g circle f is equal to identity and f circle is equal to identity function. Therefore, g circle f of x is equal to g of f of x. What is f of x? F of x is equal to 4x by 3x plus 4. This is g of y. G of y. So this one substitute in this one. 4 of 3x plus 4. 4 minus 3 of 4x by 3x plus 4. X divided by 3x plus 4 here also LCM 3x plus 4 4 of 3x plus 4 minus 12x. Well, denominator cancel. 16x 12x 16 minus 12x 12x cancel. 16x by 16 cancel x, right? So this is the identity function I of the domain. What is the domain? R minus minus 4. Now next what will do? F circle G. What is this one? F circle G of y. F of G of y. What is G of y? 4y by 4 minus 3y. This is equal to f of x. This is f of x. Clear? Substitute where x is total value. 4 of 4y by 4 minus 3y whole divided by 3 of 4y by 4 minus 3y plus 4. y 4 minus 3y. LCM is 4 minus 3y. Multiply 12y plus 4 of 4 minus 3y. 4 minus 3y cancel. 16y 12y 16 12y cancel. 16y by 16 cancel y. So this is the identity, means I of range of f. Okay, f circle G circle is identity function and domain, and f circle is included on that. Here is range of f. Then what will say from this G circle f is identity and f circle is identity? This implies f is invertible. This shows f is invertible, means f inverse exists. What is f inverse? F inverse y is equal to g of y. Therefore, f inverse y is equal to g of y. Okay, g of y is equal to 4y by 4 minus 3y. Okay, this is the answer. So second option 4y by 4 minus 3y. So 5 marks give this problem like this. and these questions also will practice, students. Page number 15, example 23. Important 5 marks from this exercise compulsory on 5 marks. Example 23, as it is like this only. Example 23, 24, 25. So 3 questions. So must and should practice. And next example 17 also explained. I explained already. So that also we practice. Sometimes they will give 5 marks. So these example 3 questions and in exercise 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 14th. So these 8 questions are very important for 5 marks. And miscellaneous exercise first problem also sometimes I will do 5 marks. So do that better. That also. So 1.3 chapter complete. Sorry, exercise. Binary operations. Okay, in earlier classes, means in below that like that, we have some algebraic operations. Algebraic operations are nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divided by. We can apply this operation of two numbers, means two values, that will be A and B. So any operation, either addition A plus B, so associated with a number A plus B, between A and B operation, then it associated with A plus B, like that subtraction, multiplication and addition. So this operation here applied with two numbers. Okay, is possible only two numbers. Suppose we want three numbers, A plus B plus C. First to add these two and next add the third number. Clear? So this is the like a binary operator. Means binary means two numbers. Between the two numbers here we apply this operation. So simply the binary operation is what? The function means an operation for two numbers by the set. Suppose let it the set is the numbers, some numbers of the set. The binary some operation, either addition, subtraction from this set means like order files to associated to some number to the another set X. Simply from this we derive the definition of binary operation. Binary definition. A binary operation star, here star. Actually A plus B, in between two elements operation is plus. But star is a binary operation. So we'll see problems also which you can understand. Here is in place of plus or minus, into or anything, just some operation this is. Okay, depend on problems, sometimes addition, sometimes multiplication, like that. Okay, a binary of star is a function on the set A. Star maps A cross A to A. Okay, this is the definition important. 1 mark. So defined by, denoted star of A comma B by A star B. This is the binary operation definition. Okay, clear? So we take this to numbers between any operation, means either addition, subtraction, multiplication or input. So in between here using this some operation means star. In sometimes this also like circle, dot, like this type of symbols. So this also called as a binary operations. In place of mixed op, suppose star is a binary operation on Z integers. Here is A star B, meaning A minus B. Here star plus A minus B. Sometimes A star B is equal to A plus AB. This is the some value between A and B. This is the operation. Okay, clear? Right. So this is the definition of the binary operation. Important. Read carefully. Right. Number of functions already I told you. Number of functions formula n of b power n of b. Okay, like that. Star maps A cross into A. Number of binary operations n of b power n of a. So here in element in set A, suppose n elements. Okay, n of b power n of a. So that implies n power n square. So n power n square is the number of binary operations. If suppose in the set A is equal to 1, 2 elements are there, how many number of binary operations? 2 power 2 square, that is equal to 2 power 4, 16 binary operations are possible. Right. See problems from exercise 1.4. And before I am turning it to you, suppose this one, closure property, closure law. What is closure law? Suppose if we take Z, A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 3, A plus B on addition, 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 also belongs to Z, closure property satisfied. Commutative law. Already everybody studied this about this class. A plus B is equal to B plus A. That's satisfied. A plus B what value? B plus A is the same. That means then commutative satisfied. Associate. Associative law. Take three numbers. A plus B of plus C is equal to A plus of B plus. This is associative law. Identity law. What is identity law? Suppose an element 2 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 2 is equal to same answer will get, that is called identity. So here 0 is the additive identity. So that means definition is 0 plus A is equal to A. So 0 is the identity element. Inverse law. What is inverse law? 2 plus of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 of plus 2 is equal to 0. 2 is an element. For what we'll get, we need answer identity, inverse. For what value of add to this number, we'll get identity element. Identity element is what here? 0. So additive inverse is minus 2. So this is for addition. So closure law means this either plus or into value also. If we take Z means belongs to that set answer also. So then closure property satisfied. Commutative law. A plus B. So left hand and B plus C both are same. Associative law. What is associative law? A plus B of plus C is equal to A plus of B plus C. Both sides. LHS, RHS both satisfied means this is called associative law. Identity law. What is identity law? For that number, add any number, same answer, same given number will get. When it is possible 0, add for that number, then only possible. Therefore 0 is the identity element of the addition. Right, inverse law. What is inverse law? We need means we want to, our resultant answer is identity element. Here identity element is 0. For what value of 2, we add this one, minus 2, then only possible. 2 minus 2 value 0. So inverse element of 2 is additive inverse. Clearly additive inverse. So for multiplication, we see what multiplication. Okay, closure law also same. A into B belongs to also, suppose if we take Z, that also get closure law. Okay, first
closure property also closure law. Second, commutative law. What is commutative law? AB is equal to BA. Next, A comma B belongs to that set. Suppose natural numbers, integers, anyone, rational numbers, associative law. Okay, what is associative? Take three numbers. AB of C is equal to A of BC. This also, right? In this distributive laws also is there. These properties we discussing in matrix chapter also. Next, identity. What is identity? Here, what some number is add, resultant answer. So what we take that number only. Here also same is equal to 2. When it is possible, multiple for what number it answer to 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 1 into 2. Answer is equal to 2. So here 1 is the identity, multiplicative identity. 1 is the multiplicative identity. Here 0 is the additive identity. Right. Inverse law. When it so answer resultant answer is identity 1. Here resultant answer is 0 identity additive. So for 2, what is inverse 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 cancel, then answer will get identity element. So these are the addition laws, addition properties, multiplicative properties. Okay. This also remember compulsory for this exercise. Binary operation. Exercise. First question. Determine whether or not each of the definition of star given below gives a binary operation in the event star is not a binary operation. Suppose star satisfy means okay. Not satisfy means also in both cases justify your answer. Why? Because okay, first bit on Z plus define star by A star B is equal to A minus B. On Z plus star is binary operation is satisfied or not? That is the question. Right. What is given? A star B is equal to A minus B. Take example. Let A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. Take let. Okay. A star B is equal to A minus B. 2 star 3. So in star place what we have minus. Directly not minus some operation. Means that like is a function. So 2 star 3 means 2 minus 3. What is resultant answer? Minus 1. So resultant answer also means A minus B also belongs to Z plus or not. That is important. Z plus means positive integers. So minus 1 is a negative integer. This not belongs to Z plus. Now here in this case, in the problem, star is not binary operation. This is the distribution. Star is not binary operation. Okay, clear? Right. Second bit. This is also Z plus. On Z plus, define
A star B, define star by A star B is equal to AB. A star B is equal to AB. Here taking elements also belongs to Z plus. Suppose I will take A is equal to 2, A is equal to minus 3, sorry, B is equal to minus 3, AB is equal to 2 into minus 3, minus 6, this not belongs to Z plus, okay, clear, but this also not Z. So take, choosing elements also Z plus only, right? If A is equal to, okay, 3, B is equal to 4, what is A star B here? AB, that implies 3 star 4, 12. This 12 belongs to Z plus or not? Okay, in this case, star is binary operation. Star is binary operation in this case. Like the students, remaining 4 bits, you will try, remaining 3 bits, right? Okay, next second question. For each operation star defined below, determine whether star is binary, commutative, associative. Clear? So first of all, star binary like that show. Next, commutative property satisfy and associative also satisfy. I will do in second bit. Okay, already A minus B we did in the first question first bit. Now I will do second question. Second question. On Q, rational numbers. On Q, define A star B. Define A star B is equal to AB plus 1. A star B is equal to AB plus 1. First of all, I check the numbers. Let it be A is equal to anyone, either 2, 3 or suppose I will take 2 by 5 and B is equal to 2. B is equal to 2. Right. 2 by 5 star 2 is equal to AB plus 1. So that implies 2 by 5 into 2 plus 1. This value 4 by 5 plus 1. So 9 by 5. 9 by 5 also belongs to rational number or not? Okay, rational number. Clear? Like that, rational numbers. Therefore, star is binary operation. Now, commutative property set. Check. Commutative. What is commutative property? A star B is equal to B star A, show that. Okay, let us take A is equal to Q and B is equal to, I'll take minus 3. So both are belongs to Q, rational numbers. Therefore, I'll take LHS. A star B is equal to 2 of AB plus 1. A into B plus 1. That implies minus 6 plus 1 minus 1. LHS value minus 1. RHS value. What is RHS? B star A. B star A. So B star A means minus 3 star 2 is equal to minus 3 into 2 AB plus 1. So that implies minus 6 plus 1 minus 1. Finally, A star B is equal to B star A. Therefore, star is commutative property satisfied. Star is commutative. So clearly, star satisfies commutative property.
Now we'll check associate. I'll erase this. So this type of problem sometimes you directly star is binary operation is 1 mark question, or they ask either commutative or associative 2 marks, both the aspects 3 marks like that. So this example also question compulsory will get board exam. Associate. What is associate? Consider 3 numbers. A star B of star C is equal to A star of B star C. That is proof. So suppose we take LHS. Consider examples 10 or else direct numbers also proof in terms of like this one. So we'll see that in terms of that. First of all, let's take examples. A is equal to 2, B is equal to -3, C is equal to 5. A star B, or else one more number, -4, means A star B first of all is equal to 2 star -4. Okay, -8. A star B value, sorry, +1. This implies -8 plus 1, -7. Now A star B of star C, that implies -7 star 5. This is equal to -7 into 5 plus 1, -35 plus 1, -34. LHS value. Now we'll check RHS. So RHS first write find out the bracket value. What is bracket value? B star C is equal to B star C. What is B? -4. -4 star 5. So -4 into 5 plus 1, -20 plus 1, -19, -19. Now A star of B star C. So what is A value? A value is equal to 2. 2 star -19. That implies 2 into -19 plus 1. So that implies -38 plus 1. So -37. So both are not equal. Therefore, star is here in this operation. Star is not associated. Okay, without examples, how can you do means? First of all, this is AB plus 1, C. Now, total. This is means star C. AB plus 1 of C plus 1. That implies ABC plus C plus 1. So that this is the LHS. What is RHS? A star of BC plus 1. This implies A of BC plus 1 plus 1. Therefore, ABC plus A plus 1 both are not equal. Star is not commutative. Students, continue remaining problems in